Losers, no? Losers, no? Signal pa nila magsugod. Jump tower! No. Speed sa sound. Mag-taking sa tadi, mag-taking sa tadi. Mag-taking sa tadi, mag-taking sa tadi. Mag-taking.
Solemnly swear I will not do good.
How does it feel to be part of the top 4 finals of the Toy-Con USF4 tournament?
Feel excited for the tournament and overwhelmed. That's it.
Were you expecting to make it this far?
Yes, I'm expecting it because I'm confident to win against the three of them. So easy.
What does becoming champion of these tournaments mean for you?
It means nothing because I'm already a champion.
Who scares you the most in the top 4 and why?
Can you repeat the question?
Who scares you the most in the top 4 and why?
I'm scared. I'm scared. Daiga is so easy.
Your message to the other top 4 finalists.
Good luck for the three of them. hope he can beat me. I hope he can beat me, but I don't know. Just too difficult to beat me. I'm the best.
Thank you. Good.
How does it feel to be part of the top 4 finals of the Toycon USF4 tournament?
Kanang karon ng tournament, excited din kayo ko kay abot ng finals.
Were you expecting to make it this far?
Wala din ko na-expect na makabot ko din kay natulagi si Alex Conlot nag-ambo manggod na kami daw mag-first at laban niya natinuot man tuloy-tuloy na lang nag-ambo ko top 4.
What does becoming champion of this tournament mean for you?
Wala man eh, minutes ko kaya na-champion mo dati. Una lang niya ako ba?
Who scares you the most in the top 4 and why?
Kadlugan yun, dugang si Michael o si Jabel. Pero itong katong isa wala mo, pabili na sa ruta tag-iyaw mo doon. Dispute na lang ba?
Message to the other top 4 finalists.
Good luck na siyang tulo ko. Baka lingin pa mo.
Sige.
How does it feel to be part of the top 4 finals of the Toycon USF4 tournament?
Okay, I feel overwhelmed. Did not expect to be in this tournament, especially in this series, semi-finals, to be part of them. So I feel overwhelmed. I'm very excited for this coming tournament. Okay.
Were you expecting to make it this far?
Well, I did not expect to be part of this, to be in semi-final. So especially my opponents are very tough, especially Xiaomi.
Okay.
What does becoming champion of this tournament mean for you?
For me, it means a lot, especially I'm in this career for how many years? It's almost a decade. So I feel it really means, especially in my hobby, Street Fighter 4.
Who scares you the most in the top 4 and why?
Taiga. First, Taiga because he's the beast in SF4 in Davao. And second, Bigot, my friend, and Jimel, my opponent.
That's right there, right?
Okay.
Message to the other top 4 finalists.
Good luck sa inyo, bay. Kita lang na. Enjoy lang sa game.
How does it feel to be part of the top 4 finals of the Toycon USF4 tournament?
I feel accomplished, especially nabilong ko sa top 4 sa level sa competition. Tanan gamer sa Street Fighter, gusto sila makasulod sa top 4. Eh, kabulo sila na at sila sa stage. So I feel accomplished na I'm back sa stage sa SF.
Were you expecting to make it this far?
Wala ko na-expect na abot dito dire sa top 4. Daghan kayo player, especially sa sila Chami, sila Daiga na pwede na akong makasugat kung kaya ko nila itagap sa tournament. Pero gihatag na ko ang akong dula, siguro bandog nakaabot ko sa top 4.
What does becoming champion of this tournament mean for you?
Becoming a champion of this tournament is everything. When you play the game, gusto mo gini mo na ma-champion ka. So, being a champion is everything.
Who scares you the most in the top 4 and why?
I wouldn't say na scare siguro, pero I have a lot of respect sa dictator, kang Bidot. We all know na siya agad ang top player dito sa Davao. So, dapat kong respect sa iyang dictator. Yeah.
Message to the other top 4 finalists.
Message, let's play the game. Good luck sa to. So, I want to finish the tournament strong. Good luck, good luck.
I didn't make it here now, but these guys are really talented.
Yeah, and I heard that the qualifiers were very, very competitive.
There were at least 2 matches that reached the last round of the last game.
How about you? How did you do?
I think it was 1 and 2. It was a bye. It was close, but it wasn't meant to be.
Okay, so let's give everyone a picture of where we are right now. So these are our brackets. So we have, this is a double elimination tournament. So if you see here, in the upper bracket, right, you have Bidot and Daiga. So these two have not yet lost in the tournament. So meaning, if Bidot beats Daiga, Daiga goes down to the loser's bracket, and he will be waiting for the winner of this game that we're going to watch, Michael Lee and Jabel. And Paulo, tell us what's the situation of Michael Lee and Jabel in their tournament life.
Alright, the one at the bottom is called the loser's semis. The loser is eliminated. The winner goes on to face the loser of the top matchup. Bidot versus Daiga is called the winner's finals.
Right.
So the winner goes straight to the grand finals, and the loser goes to what we call the loser's finals. So the winner of the loser's bracket and the loser of the winner's bracket fight it out for the right to go to the grand finals.
Alright, so let's say what the player in the grand finals from the winner's bracket loses against the winner of the loser's bracket. What happens?
Okay, let's say here's what we call sets.
Right.
In grand finals, it's usually first guy to win 3 wins a set. Someone from the winner's bracket only needs to win 1 set or 3 games to become champion. The loser's side champion, or the other guy qualified from the loser's finals, has to force what we call a reset. Basically, the loser's bracket champion has to win 2 sets, or if we're going by our race to 3 example, our loser's bracket champion has to win 6 games, 3 to force a reset, and 3 to win the championship.
Okay, so in short, the winner up there, he has to lose twice in order to lose. And the person who comes from the bottom of the bracket needs to beat the grand finals player twice.
And it's happened before. I was a winner's bracket champion. Jabel fought his way through 3 really hard sets and then reset me, and he became the champion of MCE.
Right,
So it's
that was 3 months ago, right?
yes,
So
it's
you were
hard, but it's possible.
Right, so we have a second place finisher here with us. We're going to be commentating on the games. And I think both players are ready.
All right, this is loser semis. We have our names and our score indicators. The first guy to win 2 games advances to our losers finals.
Right, so I think let's have the players warm up for a little. Quick little warm up to make sure that our setup is fine. Sound check.
As a Street Fighter, you have to check so you don't have any excuses. You need to check your buttons, you check your controllers to make sure nothing's wrong before you proceed in a match. It's very important.
Right, and of course, many thanks to SM City Davao for this event, and of course all the sponsors of Toycon. Sound, boys, sirs. Sound check. Yeah, there's no sound. Boss, in the sound area.
If anyone is familiar with the sound effects.
There.
Okay.
Alright. So I think both players are good. Our setup is good. Are you ready, boys?
Alright, setting up their buttons, getting ready for our loser semi.
Right,
On the player 1 side is Jabel, on the player 2 side is Michael Lee.
So this is a race to 3 games.
Okay, top 4, race to 3. First to have 3 wins in their indication.
Alright, so up first we have the losers bracket finals between Jabel on player 1 and Michael Lee on player 2.
Jabel going with his familiar Cody. He's one of his free tournaments since last year. He's improved a lot.
Yeah.
Michael Lee is one of our veterans, although you could say he's new compared to others in Street Fighter 4. He's been around a long time.
Right, ladies and gentlemen, here we go! Game number 1!
First game.
So it's going to be Cody versus Blanca.
I haven't seen this outside of these 2 guys. This is a weird matchup.
Right, so here we go. Blanca is of course a very strange character to fight. Ooh, nice, up the ball.
Street Fighter 4, Blanca has a lot of tricks.
Right, I faced Michael Lee myself. He can be a very tricky person. Sometimes, if you don't know Blanca's tricks, you can lose.
That's the trick to fighting Blanca. You have to know his setups.
Nice throw by Blanca. Goes in. Nice electricity.
You don't know where the ball comes from. You don't know where the electricity comes from.
Right,
You can
ooh.
lose lots of life.
Nice throw there by Michael Lee.
Seems to be
Yes,
working.
Going in. Jabel trying to find a way in. Michael Lee goes in. Ooh, nice
Nice
throw.
soft knuckle.
Next throw. Both players tend to stay far apart.
It's kind of a wild start so far. And wild starts favor Blanca.
Right, and
There you go.
right.
Jump to the jumping move to throw.
Uh-oh. Nice. Mike Lee about to take round. Oh!
Nice trade. When you have more life to trade, why not?
Right, Mike Lee takes round number 1. Here we go, round number 2. Let's see if we can take 1 game. Remember, loser of this
First
match.
round is for data.
Right, loser of this match is eliminated.
Alright.
Nice drops. Block. Ooh! Counter block the ball. Jump from behind.
Bell looking
Cross
for a
up.
way to stop Blanca's tricks.
And Jabel is content to stay far. He does not know how to approach Blanca. Nice punish.
You don't have to jump Blanca.
Oh.
He has a lot of anti-airs.
Here we go.
Alright, Jabel with the life lead.
He was actually expecting that block the ball again from Mike Lee. And Jabel,
Alright.
looking good. Nice life lead.
Jabel is adjusted
Oh.
well so far. That's the danger when Blanca's tricks stop working.
Right, and Cody just going to look at Blanca. Hey there, come here. And at this point, Cody doesn't need to do anything because he has a nice life lead. It's all on Blanca to try to make things happen.
That's Street Fighter 4. If you have a life lead, there's no need to take any more risks.
Nice punish there from Jabel. Tying things up
Jabel
for the
even
enemies.
up.
Going to our final round. Here we go.
Alright, Michael Lee with a big meter advantage. That can come into play later.
Uh-oh. Again, here's this tricky movement from Blanca. Jabel not sure how to jump in or how to get in. Here we go.
Michael Lee with a small life lead. Jabel ties it up.
Ooh, nice hop into throw. What's the setup? Goes from behind. Up again. Nice tech throw by Jabel. Jabel knowing what Blanca can do. And here's another Blanca throw.
Michael
And
Lee
here's that
in the corner.
Right, it's up to Cody to make things happen, and it's hard. It's really difficult to get in on Blanca. Oh, okay. Offensive hop. Oh, nice EX
Jamal
wall.
tried to force Blanca into the corner, but he got into the corner himself.
And now Blanca out of the corner.
Blanca
Eats up
content with milking the clock.
Right, and Blanca so mischievous. Saan mo kaya si Blanca? Tanawagan. Oh, nice! Focus!
I think this is the match. Okay, let's
One
see.
more.
Desperation Ultra.
Desperation goes in
And that's game 1.
And Mike Lee takes game number 1.
Michael Lee, 1 game down, he needs 2 games. Jabel needs to win 3 games if he wants to advance.
And you know what, Pao? I think Mike Lee is what we like to call a dark horse.
Again, in terms of SF4, his results are not all there, but if you go back in the history of Davao, if you look at the older fighting games, he's a beast.
Right. And Michael Lee, a veteran on his own. Jabel, somewhat a new blood. He's a champion. He won the Mindanao Cyber Expo.
Jabel is fairly new to the Street Fighter scene, but he's improved by leaps and bounds over the last 2 years.
And wow, Michael Lee just going for the throws. This time Jabel backs up. Okay, he goes in.
Michael Lee,
Nice! Ooh, but he dropped the ball.
his tornado move is safe in some versions.
Right, but that close, I don't think it's that safe. And here we go again with that Blanca mix up. Look how, oh my god, I don't know what Blanca's going to do. He's going to hop behind me. There again! Oh my god! Beautiful play from Michael Lee. Jabel is on the ropes thinking, what can I do?
That's why Blanca is called the troll character of Street Fighter 4. If you don't know what he's doing, you're going to lose really fast.
Right. And Jabel though has to make something happen. I know what this feels like because last tournament, during the option select from Lee, I had the chance to fight Blanca and he's so confusing, pal.
Okay, Jabel seems to have the answer so far though. It was the pressure he's looking for last game. He ended up in the corner though. That's the tricky thing about Blanca.
Ultra move. Ooh!
That's also tricky.
Right?
Almost everything Blanca has, you need to learn to block.
Yeah, and it's just so difficult to learn Blanca. Uh-oh.
Yeah, it's not like in the older versions. Blanca was a little more basic in the older Street Fighters. Here you need to learn all the trolling.
Right, and that was a nice punish there.
All right.
I think Jabel has been doing his homework. Prepared immensely for this event. Can he take a round or can Mike Lee go up 2-0?
Very even so far.
Oh, good attempt on the punish there, but Blanca just a little too.
Some of the rolling attacks are safe, but,
Yeah, very safe.
but if he uses the same version, there's not a lot Cody can do.
And Cody is throwing the rocks.
Michael Lee with the meter
rocks
advantage.
from the Mindanao Cyber Expo.
Those rocks won him championships. Go with what works. Okay.
Okay, Jabel.
Jabel with the small life lead.
Trying to apply some pressure. These players they're playing very safe. They know the pressure that's on them right now to win this game.
So win or go home.
Right, oh, knocked down by Blanca. Nice dash under by Cody. Blanca trying to get
Cody
in.
forcing Blanca to react to his pokes. That's in his favor.
Good EX ball there. from
Blanca with AX can get away though.
Right.
Okay.
Oh.
Hop throw is worked so well for Michael Lee the whole tournament.
Oh no. Cody in trouble. Okay, he's good. Reset situation.
Michael Lee with the life lead. 20 seconds to go. 20 game seconds.
Nice
Oh,
play.
nice.
Jabel. With the left lead. Blanca. Oh no. Oh, this is enough. Oh my god.
Michael Lee opened up a 2-0 lead. Blanca shenanigans, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh my goodness. Jabel taking the time to breathe. And Mike Lee
Is he going to?
is up to
The losers can switch characters. The winners can have to keep playing the same character.
Right, but Jabel though.
Jabel opting to go with his what we call his main character, the strongest character that he can play.
Right, and most of the time I think that's the best decision.
Street Fighter's a game of matchups. The champion, the biggest Street Fighter tournament, Luffy, he hasn't won a lot outside of Europe, but 5 years of playing the same character and he won the biggest tournament using Rose. So Street Fighter, there's lots of matchups. You can choose different characters, but you can also find success using the same character.
Exactly. And right now, Jabel, with a life deficit, Michael Lee feeling good. Ooh, nice EX ball.
The first two games have started out kind of the same. Michael Lee getting some frozen balls in and opening a big life lead.
Nice.
It's win or go home time for Jabel.
And Jabel, though, on the verge, on the edge, living on the edge. Mike Lee playing so smart. This is veteran smart. Shown right here by Mike Lee. Over 10 years of Street Fighter experience. And I think the pressure getting to Jabel, Mike Lee.
Michael Lee on match point. He's one round away from moving to losers finals. Playing really safe.
Match point, Michael Lee. Jabel, it's do or die. What can he do? Nice anti-air. Oh, no block from Jabel. Normally he gets the anti-air, but I think the nerves are getting to Jabel right now.
Blanca is kind of hard to anti-air as well. If he uses jumping high punch or jumping high kick.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh, this might be a cross-up. Oh no, that hit! Big damage!
Michael Lee, you can feel it.
Cody on the verge of dying. I think that's it. That's it.
Michael Lee moving to the losers finals, ladies and gentlemen. Really solid play.
God, wow. You know what just happened? The current MCE champion
It's been dethroned.
Oh my God, that means
We're going to see the new champion.
Oh.
Out of the four guys last July, he's the only returning. So that's the thing. Street Fighter players are here are pretty evenly matched, especially the top players.
Exactly. And we're seeing Michael Lee again. He's actually one of my favorites to win this because no one knows how to play his Blanca that well. I mean,
It's really hard. Even the world famous Daigo, he said when he started playing Street Fighter 4, he just couldn't figure out Blanca players. So it's not just the average Joe. Even the gods of Street Fighter can sometimes fall to a Blanca.
right, and up next, we're going to bring to you the winners.
Winners brackets, we have two veterans of the Davao scene.
Yeah. And of course, again, welcome everyone to the Davao Toy Collectors Fair brought to you by SM City Davao.
Alright, on your player one side is Daiga. On your player two side is Bila. 3-0. Okay, both players are going to check their buttons again. They might have different configurations from the previous players. It's become a tradition in the competitive Street Fighter. Always check your buttons.
They're just checking their buttons, they're not playing yet.
Man, what a match. It's gonna take a lot to top the earlier one. But knowing these two, you're gonna see another classic. So, Street Fighter's been out over 5 years, and most of the tournament championships are between these guys.
Right, right. So it's going to be Balrog versus
Balrog, the boxer character, Bison, known as the dictator character. We're using the training stage to minimize distractions. The other stages are kind of busy and distracting. In tournaments, you'll welcome to the bathroom times.
Here we go. I think this is it. Game number 1, ladies and gentlemen. Daiga.
Daiga with Balrog, beat up with Bison.
Ooh, nice scissor kick right away from Bison.
Daiga answers with headbutt. This is both are what we call charge characters. You have to hold down directions to get their moves. This kind of matchup might be slow in places.
Right, but going middle style, he's going in. He's being very aggressive with Daiga. And Bidot, of course,
Daiga
really
falling
excited for this match between him and Daiga. Let's see. Bidot has a nice life lead. On the way to take the first round. Nice block there from Daiga. Can he make a comeback? Oh, nice block from Bidot. No
That's it.
punish. And Bidot on fire right now.
Speaking of veterans, these guys have played each other so long. Maybe back to the original Street Fighter 2. They've been playing for years and years. They must be familiar with each other's style.
Right, and I wonder what Daiga, what his adjustments could be against Balrog Bison.
Daiga's known for his ninja trade.
Oh, and you can't do that.
You don't see him a lot on weekends, but suddenly appears in tournaments and beats up people.
Right. But right now, Bidot. Oh, there's a stun.
That's a
Oh my God, Bidot.
Disrespect.
Disrespect there from
Kabilang
Bidot.
win by Bidot. Balrog lost his fight money.
A very
The boss won't pay him.
convincing game number 1 pound. Oh my God.
And that's why Bidot is arguably the best Davao player in Street Fighter.
Right, but
Daiga knows him very well. He's one of few of his own. So we'll see if there's any adjustments.
right, and we're seeing now Daiga using that straight up jump, trying to predict when Bidot will come in.
Balrog is a very good character, learning character if you want to start out in Street Fighter 4.
Right, very solid, nice.
Bison as well, a little trickier, but these two characters are very simple.
Bison is unfair.
He has a few bad matchups, but Bidot seems to know that that's the thing about Street Fighter. If you're a good, smart player, you can overcome characters' shortcomings.
Right, and looking at what's happening in this match right now, Daiga can't seem to find an answer to Bidot's jump-ins. Bidot is just jumping in freely, Mark, or Daiga has to find a way to counter his jumps. Ooh!
Alright!
Counter! Okay, Mark.
There's a lot of damage, but it will all depend on the follow-up.
Right, what can
Here
Mark
we
do?
go.
Oh.
Saw that.
Bidot knowing that Daiga is on the ropes. Just goes for that Psycho Crusher. Bidot on the verge of going up 3-0. Mark playing a little defensive now, trying to find a way in.
Mark hasn't poked holes in Bidot's game yet.
Right, and we're seeing that Mark can't seem to find a way to get into Bidot. That sounds wrong.
Anyways, there you go. Charge characters. Just sit in the corner. Have
Ooh,
life
nice.
lead, no problem.
Okay, sweep.
Psycho Crusher.
Good block. But again, Bidot just jumping in. There you go. There's the anti-air. That's what Mark needs.
Okay,
Ooh.
Mark with the first lead of the sets.
Look at stand roundhouse from Bison. Very meaty. Ooh.
That's his best move, along with the scissor kicks.
Oh,
he's-
no. Mark drops it. Oh.
Here we go. Mark on the board with one round.
Mark takes 1 round. Mark fighting back. Daiga. We know him as Daiga. So if you hear me say Daiga or Mark, we're talking about...
Same guy.
Same guy, same guy.
Then we have Bidot or Julius. That got me in trouble the first time.
Right. Here we go.
Alright. Daiga's settled down.
Oh, there you go. There's that little jump. Wow! Big combo. Reset. Here we go.
Another
What
one
was
could
set
be a
up?
dizzy.
Straight up throw. Not dizzy yet.
Another one.
Oh, nice
inspirational.
neutral jump.
Nice.
Oh my God, Daiga. Answers back.
Bidot has been trash talking him all month. It's his turn to get even.
I know, right? 1-9 neutral jump.
There you go. That stops a lot of jumping moves. Balrog has some of the best buttons or normal attacks in the game.
Right, and here we go. Nice
There you go.
jump.
If you can press a light to punch, you can play Street Fighter.
Nice combo from Bidot. Knocks Daiga down. Both players back in what's called the neutral game. And there's that jump again! Wow! Oh no! Daiga actually drops his combo. Nice cross up.
Very even so far. Oh, there we go.
Wow! Nice adjustment here from Mark.
Alright, see? Charge character sitting in the corner. Up.
Okay, Bidot gets the throw.
Set up.
Ooh, from behind. Nice jump back, heavy.
Up. Don't. Okay.
Oh! Oh no!
Balrog's case, he can take one hit and keep on going.
Alright, Mark gets the throw. Moving in. There's that neutral jump again. I like this adjustment from Mark. Ooh!
Both guys are scholars, they study matchups.
And Bidot with his own neutral jumps, saying,
Oh,
my goodness. Big damage here from Bidot. Oh, nice extension of the combo.
No, wasn't meant to be.
And Bidot takes the round. Both players now trying to go up 2 games to 1.
First one to get the 2-1 lead is very big.
Oh, nice armor.
There you go again with the X move. Without forcing his way, forcing Mark into a corner.
Now we see the comeback again from Bidot.
Mark falling behind again, but he's done comebacks before. But maybe getting a little too predictable in the jumping.
Right. And now Bidot not really being so aggressive, seeing that Mark keeps on neutral jumping.
If you have the life lead, you can just sit.
Nice.
The burden is on the other player.
Oh, and Mark.
Another desperation to throw. This time for Mark.
Oh, nice. Okay, Mark, building some momentum. Oh,
Yeah, excited
nice.
crash.
Bidot takes game number 3.
Bidot with a 2-1 lead. Bidot needs 1 game to advance to the grand finals. Mark needs to win 2 games.
Very close fight between these two players now. Very
Very
close.
evenly matched so far. Uh-oh. Okay.
Exclamation. Sorry lang pa.
Alright. There you go, fix the score.
Oh, Bidot with
Bidot
very
opening another life lead. Again, these players know each other's habits so well. Maybe with the slightest adjustment can throw off the whole match.
Alright. Bidot gets a nice jump in. Mark drops his combo again.
That's the thing, even the easiest combos when you're in a high pressure situation.
And there are those YOLO moves again from Mark. I talked to Mark before this tournament and said, no YOLO, please. Bidot on match point.
Not on the verge of sending Mark to the losers bracket. Mark says I still have 1 or 2 more rounds to work with.
So Mark being extra careful now, yes?
Mark
Very
is
small life lead. Nice tech there.
Even so far.
Ooh.
Jumping high punch, also strong button from Bison. Scissors kick, you try to interrupt it. If he spaces it right, it's rarely safe.
And there's that YOLO headbutt again from Mark. Oh no, Bidot! Oh!
Bidot going to the grand finals, winning 3-1.
Bidot going straight to the grand finals. 3-1 is the score.
Mark is what we call the losers finals. He hopes to 4 wins. So we will still see Mark. We have Michael Lee challenging Mark. Loser gets a 3rd place. Second place or the winner gets another shot at Bidot.
And you know what, Pao? I think I know who's going to win.
The charge character is going to.
Alright.
Well, that's the scene. You have the strongest player. It's the burden on the other players to level up, so to speak. Losers finals. Loser gets a 3rd place. Winner goes to the grand finals. Alright.
Right, so here's how our brackets look like. So we have Daiga and Michael Lee down in the losers bracket. Bidot has made his way to the grand finals. Whoever wins this next match goes back up to face Bidot. for the championship.
Whoever comes out on top here is our losers bracket champion. Vidal is already what we call our winners bracket champion.
Right. Game, any game?
Our players are warming up, ladies and gentlemen.
Right. So, oh my God. Wow, I just realized.
Yeah.
I just realized that all the top three are charge characters.
That's right.
Oh my God.
They used to say charge characters, so they didn't get far. Anyway, I also use a charge character, Chun-Li.
Oh, you made it. You got really far.
Maybe not in this tournament, but there's a stigma against the charge characters that you have to sit around, but that's not really the case. You can use their non-charge moves or find creative ways to charge.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is it. Losers bracket finals. Daiga on my left, Michael Lee on my right, Blanca versus Balrog.
And the manager sitting in the corner. Oh, there you go. Yeah. Expect lots of cheating in the corner. And Michael Lee opening the front. Daiga pushing Michael Lee to the corner. He has a life lead, so he doesn't have to panic. Michael Lee fighting back. Really even. With the kind of characters and with the caliber of the players, it's kind of to be expected.
Ooh, what a trade. In favor of Blanca. Wow, look at the collect. Corriente, double light in the house. Double light, Tagtagiyas, double light.
In Manila, we call that. In Manila, we call that Pikachu.
Power shortage. Oh!
Pikachu used Thunder Shock. It's super effective.
So Michael Lee, did you miss a run out?
Alright.
Alright. Michael Lee being very impressive.
Blanca Shenanigans versus one of the most basic characters in this game.
Right.
Alright.
And look at that. Very tricky Blanca.
Up
I'm in
throw.
front. I'm behind you. I'm
YOLO
in front.
golden hand again. You need this, certain kinds of attacks with electricity. If you just go in, it's not usually going to work.
Right. Ooh. From behind is Blanca.
Daiga's gonna be shaken from the past set. He had to play good second. Oh, YOLO golden hand again. Not good.
And Mar. Oh. Still shooting out that YOLO headbutt. Not really being effective.
It happens. If it works here, the hero doesn't.
I know, but I'd rather be safe.
Street Fighter's a game of being safe, except for very few characters.
Right, but I'm not always safe. Here we go.
Ooh. So happy. Okay, Michael Lee with a small life lead. Daiga hasn't gotten past the electricity yet. No.
Oh my God, Michael Lee running circles around Daiga. Then again,
Balrog getting shot really bad.
And goes down, goes behind, throws. What's next? Oh my God,
You can do that. I do that.
Michael Lee.
Some of Balrog's punches when they're too obvious. The other guy can just reaction throw. We saw that.
And you know, I don't think Daiga has played Michael Lee.
They played each other, but not much in Street Fighter 4.
Right, not recently either.
They're usually on opposite sides of the bracket.
Mark, who I consider the favorite, is now someone who I think is the
falling
underdog.
behind.
He's the underdog. Mike Lee.
Oh!
Oh my God. Oh my God.
What's the
my
answer to
God.
that electricity?
Electricity galore, okay. There's the sweep. Oh, nice.
It's not
there's
Smash
the
Brothers,
hop.
but it's Pikachu. Oh,
Pikachu hop.
Pikachu! There you go.
Blanca, Thunderbolts.
There we go. More trolling moves. He has a life lead. There's absolutely no need to be risky. He's just gonna stare down and there we go.
And now, Michael Lee has a 2-game Tunan.
I was not expecting that.
Same here. Oh my God.
Michael Lee. Because doesn't Michael Lee,
Oh my God.
he's fought Daiga, but Michael Lee.
Paolo, this is happening, Paolo. This is happening. Michael Lee
Daiga
making
looks
Blanca
safe.
work.
Look, there we go. Finally, putting stop to the accuracy someone.
Okay. And Daiga, I'm not
Daiga
going down
finally
with the
found its brain.
Right. Uh-oh.
Inspiration will grow. Did he block right? Okay. Looks like. Nice one.
Good block there from Daiga. Never say die. So now,
There we go.
and there's that Blanca hop again.
That's what makes Blanca so unpredictable.
Okay.
He has a lot of good movement options.
Daiga with his knee. Oh, nice corner. Corner to
Daiga says he's not going out without a win.
Okay. Look at the
While
base.
not bullying Blanca in the corner.
Look at that. Beautiful control. Okay, Blanca gets
I
out.
was gonna say he's not letting him out in the corner, but he didn't. No. Daiga wants to get the game.
Oh, okay.
That was a mistake.
They didn't know what to do.
Charge character fix. Alright.
Desperation move. And it's like Daiga.
Daiga on the board. 2 games to 1. Michael Lee in the lead.
So now, Mark on the board.
Mark wants that rematch so bad. Michael Lee says he wants the championship so bad. Alright. Game 4.
Here we go. This is going to be a very tense matchup for these.
Very even together.
Okay, throw. Ooh.
Michael Lee getting the electricity to work again.
Okay, I think Mark has made his adjustment now. Ooh. Okay, corner control. Beautiful corner control from Mark. Staying far enough to attack.
There we go. Mark wants to force his opponent into the corner.
Nice block from
Michael Lee
Mark.
getting out.
Big combo. Big damage. Oh, I think this is desperation.
Oh, Mark failed to capitalize. I think that was open, but anyway, he still has the life lead.
Look at the range from Blanca. Oh, headbutt into Ultra. Daiga says,
Daiga wants to leave it up. The Yolo head finally works.
masakpan naman na si Michael Lee. We will see. Okay. Oh, no punish. Oh, look at the long
Michael Lee
range.
moves to the corner again.
Corner control. Nice dash punch.
If he jumps, he can. Okay.
Ooh, cross.
Rainbow ball.
Oh my God, Michael Lee.
Blanca shenanigans very good again. Daiga is still concerned with electricity. He forgot that.
Okay, Mike Lee's on.
Forcing Daiga into the corner while getting out himself.
But then Daiga has the life lead.
Michael Lee has to take a gamble.
Daiga
Gamble.
Lee. Daiga Lee.
Michael Lee.
Oh no, is this happening? Is the comeback real? Daiga. Oh my God.
Daiga evens it up to 2 games apiece.
Daiga comes
Adjustments.
back all the way down from 0-2. Paolo, what's happening?
The veteran moves are taking over. Michael Lee going to character select, going to think it over. The Blanca shenanigans, they might have been figured out. So he's giving himself a chance to play.
Oh my God. Is he going to switch?
He's thinking about it. He knows a few characters.
I know he has a Guile. I know he has a Dulcim.
Shot and see all of those.
Oh. ladies and gentlemen, Michael
Michael
Lee,
Lee switching to one of his alternate characters.
Guile.
Guile is their Sonic Boom move. It can be hard for Balrog, but this could still be even given Daiga's skill.
Sonic Boom.
Alright, let's see, expect a lot of Sonic Booms. Very good.
Okay. Ooh, nice back punch. Oh my god.
Street Fighter 2 moves. You can't exactly play Street Fighter style, but a lot of things should be very familiar.
Right, and Michael Lee in the corner. Guile, of course, being a defensive character. Should be
Guile is
fine.
one of the few characters that like into the corner. But if he gets knocked down, he eats a combo, it's also not good for him.
Oh no. Ooh, nice.
Alright, Daiga with a life lead of his own. Looks like the character switch is no problem so far.
Nice block.
Nice block by Michael.
Oh, there it is. YOLO headbutt.
Golden Hands works so
Or
well so far in his tournament.
Nice setup. Oh no. Not safe at all.
That's the thing. You need meter to make that save.
Nice EX.
That's
Michael Lee slowly. Oh!
not yet.
Oh my god. There's a Oh no. Michael Lee. Oh, he gets a throw. Michael Lee. Okay, chill. Chill now. Chill out. Chill.
Just sit.
Oh! Michael
Michael
Lee.
Lee, one round away.
A miracle.
Round
Match point, Michael Lee. Daiga on the break. Oh wow. Nice jump in. Sweep gets blocked. Sonic boom.
Daiga
Sonic
has to
boom.
deal with the Sonic Booms this time. Earlier it was electricity, now it's the power of America.
Uh-oh. This is what Michael Lee wants. He wants to be able to walk back. Nice. Ooh. Smart.
Looking bad.
Not make his Marcus. Wait just a minute. I'm still a former champion.
He wants to be the once and future champion. Alright.
So now.
His pace favors Balrog.
Oh no.
Guile stuck in the corner.
Nice tech. Jump in. Oh! Both players trying to hug each other.
This is really intense. We might go to the last round.
Oh no! So we are going to the last round!
Last round of the
Oh
last
my
game.
god! Who's going to face Minot in the finals?
Winner goes to the grand finals. Loser gets third.
Natarog ang camera! Oh my god!
Send someone hit the camera.
Oh my god!
Anyway.
Sige lang, chill lang. We can still see. Okay.
Daiga with a small life lead.
Uh-oh.
Wants that rematch.
Gets the throw.
Michael Lee wants to be the new champion.
Oh!
Michael Lee slowing down the pace.
Oh no!
Going to Guile's favorable ranges. This is anyone's game.
Who's going to win? Oh, nice block! Corner again.
Really?
Uh-oh.
Patience.
Nice move. Oh!
That's nice.
Oh, Ultra! Oh no!
Still alive, don't worry.
The momentum is on Mark's side. Nice.
That's the thing though.
Nice defense. Uh-oh. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh, missed the throw.
Sweep. Daiga. Michael Lee. Oh.
Oh!
Chip damage. Oh.
He wants game.
Oh.
Not yet!
Oh my god.
I was expecting that. Alright, well, someone hit the camera again. I was gonna say that Guile will throw.
Dot ang camera. Dot ang camera. Dot.
Man. That's why we play Street Fighter. Ladies and gentlemen. A little to the left. To the left. Ay, to the right, to the right. Nahiwig.
Oh my God.
Ay, baliktad, no?
That just happened.
I was gonna say, that guy Ultra could have won, but he was too close. Invincible moves can beat Guile Ultra. That's happened lots of times. Right. All right. Pagka kay X, wala po. And a little up. Alright, sorry about that, ladies and gentlemen. Center the camera. What a match! These guys are in top 4 for a reason.
So now,
Taiga wanted it so badly, he's got his chance.
and he came back from 0-2.
0-2. This time he needs to win 6 games. Free to force the reset, free to win the championship. Bidot needs to win 3 games to win the championship. Alright, here's grand finals.
Yeah, let's hear it for the
Rematch of
grand.
our winners finals.
So again, everyone, for your information, Bidot has to lose
6
twice.
times.
Twice.
Or twice 2 sets. He needs to lose 6 games.
Daiga has to win 6 games. That's the winner's advantage. And here we go. Round 1.
Alright, same characters from the winners finals. Why is the standing high kick is over?
And of course, oh my God, Bidot still able to get in.
Not forcing his way.
Nice anti-air. There you go. Uh-oh. Has Mark found the answer that he has been looking for? Nice combo. Nice. There it is again.
That was what was missing in the winners finals.
Right. Ooh.
Standing close high punch.
Nice combo extension from Bidot. Nice cross up. Psycho Crusher.
Yeah.
Oh! Okay,
They're
Mark.
very excited. What?
Oh! That should have been an anti-air. Here we go, round number 2.
I want to say it's in Bidot's favor, but we saw the losers finals. Someone came back from 0-2. So anything's possible.
Nice EX scissor kick. Okay, without pressure on the way. Again, anti-air is good.
Really? There you
Nice
go.
armor. Good tech throw from Mark. Nice punish. That's unsafe. Oh, nice air to air from Bidot. Neutral jump into his big combo. Mark, of course, with the momentum from winning that losers bracket finals.
Really?
Oh no, no! That YOLO headbutt again.
Well behind. Oh. Mark looking for the ultra. Really much is on the way to save this crowd. But playing it safe, not letting himself get hit.
Oh, his input there from Bidot. Oh no!
That's the problem with charge characters. You get jumps if you're not expecting. Bidot winning the first of the 3 games that he needs to clinch this championship.
Right. Only 2 more games for Bidot. Nice air to air. Ooh, nice. Okay.
Alright.
Bidot.
Opening the distance with the teleport. He fell behind, he wanted to give himself some time to think.
Ooh, nice
Going
jump.
back in.
Wow,
I
Bidot.
haven't figured out that scissor kick myself.
You just have to wait for it.
Or maybe I'm just not doing the obvious things in my matchup. Anyway, here we go.
Ooh, nice cross up again.
Side
Good,
of-
great. That's good for Mark.
See the adjustments? There we go. Nice.
Ooh, again.
2 sweeps in a row.
Big combo. Ah. Gets the devil's reverse. Okay, sweep,
Mark,
jump in.
sweep.
We don't just teleports
Mark
out.
going low.
Scissor kick again. There you go. Punish. Punish that.
That was even safer in the older games. I'm glad there's a noticeable gap.
Oh, Mark drops a big combo. We don't know. Oh no! Gets thrown. Corner pressure. What's up?
Desperation Ultra. Giving the round away.
And Mark makes a round.
Alright. Mark on the board. He says he wants the championship.
And this
He
is
wants
again
that run back.
grand finals, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. Balrog versus Bison. Big combo
And the
there.
combo finally working. There you go. Mark with his first life lead.
Wow, Mark fighting back, neutral jump.
Fighting back in a big way. He knows he needs to win more games than Bidot if he wants to be champion.
Again.
Aiko crusher tricks working all night.
Oh.
Finally. Mark Daiga on the board.
1-1.
1 down, 5 to go. Bidot needs to win too.
Here we go. Game number 3.
Game 3. Really important. Really important. Whoever gets the lead gets the momentum.
These are arguably the best players in Davao.
Two of the top 3 for sure.
Okay, throw.
Oh! Missed the focus attack.
The disrespect.
Dot with immaculate spacing. But Mark is also mastered spacing on his own.
Too far for Mark to punish.
Street Fighter is a game of wills and a game of smarts.
Oh. Nice neutral jump.
Finally.
Big damage.
Oh! Nice. Dash punching out of the way. But
No
Bidot giving
anti-air.
himself some space.
Missing is the anti-air there from Mark.
I think he's so scared by the jumping around there. Really? Oh! I don't know.
Oh no. Oh no. What's going to happen?
Smart! High tension only.
We have a match.
Years of playing each other, and you'll be good at these two.
Excuse me.
This is proof that you only need 2 or 3 players to start the scene. You have someone to play with, level up together.
Okay, Bidot with a slight life lead now.
Art being pushed. Both guys getting away and trying to think about the next move. Okay, Bidot says he wants to go in as usual. Art,
nice.
there you go.
Anti-air. Oh, there's the neutral jump.
Poorly spaced dash punches are the death of Balor. Come
Right.
to think of it, Bison when he does something dumb as well.
Ooh, look at that combo. Bidot is styling and profiling.
And jumping,
big-
jumping a low kick, does it cross up?
Who is going to take the lead, pal? Oh my gosh.
There you go, all important round. Bidot with a small meter advantage. Uses it on FADC, Mark with the armor. Opening up his life lead. Finally coming down against the EX Psychos.
And Mark, I think,
I think he's finally downloaded. Has he? Let's see.
oh, nice. No anti-air again.
Getting better at it though.
Still no anti-air.
Oh, that's the thing about Valorant.
Okay,
It's
he gets
very
out.
throwable.
Ooh. Oh no, Bidot.
He won the spacing war there. Oh,
Counter hit.
and he once again.
Uh-oh, Bidot in. Okay. Oh, he drops the combo.
Oh, Mark with the adjustment.
Nice block from Bidot. Nice punish. Oh my
EX
god.
Psycho cross up again.
And that's the third time Mark has been hit by that cross-up.
Cross-ups with tournaments, but that's for different characters.
So one more game for Bidot, and he's going to be crowned the champion. Uh-oh.
Mark says he wants to fight back.
Let's see what Tiger can do. Nice. Oh, no, at the air. Oh, no.
Not
Bidot
forcing his will.
building momentum. Nice jump in. Reset.
This
throw.
could be a dizzy, the next combo. Mark needs a...
Oh, there's the dizzy. Match point.
Naga needs to not lose anymore. If he wants to remain champion. Or if he wants to win, rather. Not really looking super solid in that last round. Oh, he's falling behind early.
Okay, that's what Mark needs actually. He's just been letting Bidot jump in.
I think
Really?
study how to do that level reverse, among other things.
Nice sweep. Okay. Nice pressure, nice block. Good
Yes, and
throw from Bidot from behind. Oh my God! Bidot!
He's smelling the championship.
Oh no! Ladies and gentlemen, your champion!
Toy Fair, Toy Fair 2014 champion, Julius Vidal.
Let me get an interview. Bidot. So let's have a quick interview. Oh my God.
Hold on. Fortunately,
Balikan ka ba? All right. So I'm joined by our Toy-Con champion, Bidot. Congrats. So Bidot, the last time you were champion was June of this year. That was you versus me all the way to the last game. You're now champion again. What does it feel like? Kahit Jud? Now, you beat Taiga in the winners finals very easily. Watching the losers finals, what if it was Michael Lee who won?
Lisod dito kung namang kang kalaban kay hindi ka mag-predict kung tabaw line mo. Ilang ko rin din.
Mo lagi? Tag-iyas Davao Light? So, you're the champion again. You're back on top. And you have a target on your back. So, any message for the people who want to try Street Fighter 4?
Sa mga gusto mo na ayun ko ka kuwanan ka na ay gusto ko gini siya na diwan, no? So dapat practice good.
Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it one more time for your champion, Bidot! So I think that's it for us. On behalf of the Davao Gamers Guild, I'm Dr. Jimmy, my partner Paolo, Bidot, Sean. Thank you, good night.